how to draw a smartphone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Hey everyone, welcome to Sherry Drawings. Today I have an exciting tutorial in store for you. I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step drawing tutorial of the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 mobile phone. No stress, no complications, just simple, enjoyable drawing. And here's a tip for you. Feel free to pause the video or adjust the speed using the settings. I want this experience to be tailored just for you. Ready? Let's draw. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. If you found it helpful or had fun creating your drawing, give it a thumbs up. And hey, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your fellow friends or anyone looking for an easy drawing tutorial. Remember, there are more drawings coming your way, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new, exciting drawing tutorials. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy drawing!